So how do you set up Alexa multi-room music? Well, I'm going to show you step by step in this easy to follow guide. But first, an example of what happens when you ask Alexa for music now. If you do find today's Alexa skills tip useful, then please do subscribe. You see, if you just say, Alexa, play Van Halen, Jump.
Jump by Van Halen.
It'll play it in this room, but it's not playing it on this one. Anyway, it's very easy to set it up on all your devices, but first of all, you need to go into the Alexa app, do a little bit of it, and I'm going to show you step by step exactly what you need to do, and you'll be listening to music in just a couple of minutes in every room. So how do you set up multi-room music on Alexa? We'll go to settings. If you scroll down to audio, you will see multi-room music. It's not quite as simple as I thought it was. I thought I'd just ask Alexa, Alexa, play music everywhere. Alexa, play Van Halen, Jump everywhere. It doesn't work like that. You need to set up a group to start with. Now, I had one set up, but I've actually do this right. It shows my devices here. So I'm going to click on both of these to select them as Echo. There's Echo Dot. Create, you'll see at the top here, choose group name. So I'm just going to click down. They've got various ones you can do downstairs, dining room, but I'm going to click on everywhere. Because when I play them, I want it playing them on everything. Click on create group. Alexa is checking your devices. This may take a minute or two. Okay, there we are. Everywhere group successfully saved. And you now just say, Alexa, play music downstairs, or replacing it downstairs with your group name. So I'm going to say, Alexa, play music everywhere, and it will play the music. So just going to go and give you a quick demo of that. Now, the example I'm going to show you of it playing music in every room is based upon you having Amazon Music service enabled. There is a link to this below the video. If you've not got it already, please do click on that link to get it. Very easy to use, very, very comprehensive, very happy with it for the money. Anyway, on with the example. Well, I hope you all followed that. If you did, then it should work as follows. Now, there is a bit of a time delay I found. So to play multi-room music, simply say, Alexa, play music everywhere.
The station Top Pop from Amazon Music, playing on the Everywhere group.
Now, the one thing you will notice is there's a slight delay. It started in the kitchen. Alexa, stop. Alexa, stop. It started in the kitchen before it started on this main device. And between it actually playing the music across, in my case, my two devices, one here and one in the kitchen. Or you could opt to play a specific song. Alexa, play Jump by Van Halen everywhere.
Jump by Van Halen, playing on the Everywhere group.
So, hopefully you found that Alexa skills tip of how to set up the Alexa multi-room music very easy. Subscribe for new Alexa skills every day.